same guy directed and produced George Jung. Why is the guy who produced George Jumbo and directed Friday the 13th touching a crime drama with Robert De Niro?
Well, no, you're making a good point. I've been watching the Rambo Raft movie, the Righteous Kill movie review, and then he said, I remember when this movie was in theaters, and I was reading in the newspaper that this movie was bad, and apparently it's very bad. I think Rambo Raft is another case of a man who is watching too many bad movies, and it's just slowly wearing on his mind. He just did the Rambo review, and I think he had to refresh and luminize me back in the crap of this movie, for sure. Al Pacino, Robert De Niro, and then the director of, like, Fried Green Tomatoes, making some really boring crime drama where one's the killer and turns out someone else is a killer and they're hunting killers, and that's not very good. And he suggests that maybe they've been blackmailing further to do the roles because they're not doing the fiery roles like they want to. Like Rambo has been used to when he was a little kid, and he would go to the theaters with Daddy and he'd go, "Oh, Daddy, Robert De Niro's so good in this movie." And you're like, "You're right, little Rambo Raft, settle down and eat your popcorn." He's like, "I can't wait to see all forms of violence like they did back in the day, and bloody eye-popping gore and stuff." Yes, and people getting shot. Don't forget the people getting shot, little Rambo Raft. And he's like, "I will never forget the people getting shot, Daddy." You know, like, but now he is grown up and he's watching bad movies and the aged actors are not making quality movies anymore, and he's very disappointed. Bye!